Today I'm going to be installing this rear seat delete. The reason this says Poseidon is because I got it off a friend. He actually gave it to me and I'm going to be installing it. I'm going to park right here on the shade. Here's the WRX. I think I'm going to start posting about this car. It's my girlfriend's car. You guys have seen it on the channel before. Recently lowered it and installed wheels. I think it looks pretty clean. First I was gonna move it right there, but I think I can do it right here if I just back it up a bit. So, first things first, I have a bunch of stuff back here. All this out of the way. I'm just gonna throw everything in front, I don't care. These are my tools right here. I'm gonna need these. Set those right there. I believe you start off by just taking the tabs off the bottom. Check this out. Just got the bottom piece out. For those of you guys that want to try this, you just push this in on that slot. Don't try to force it up or try to power it through because you are not going to get it out. Just push those tabs on both sides. Just lay this right there. And this is basically what it looks like under. It's not much. Maybe you'll find garbage. Next is these, which I believe are just 15s. So I brought a couple of my tools from work. I got my gun here, and here's the 15. Just gonna check if that fits. Yeah. There's the other side. There's two, and then the center piece right there. And I should be able to pull it out. Then you just pull them out together at the same time. It's that easy, guys. That's the inside. And the seats are out. So I'm gonna go get the rear seat delete and then put it on. So I think I'm just gonna use the factory bolt and then just screw it on there like that. I believe that's how it goes. I'm not sure. It looks like it to me. And then this piece right here does have these little quick releases. I have to take those two tabs off. And I believe I have to cut this to get these off. So I'll do that really quick. Got my knife right here. So I'm gonna cut this around just so I have enough room to take off the two bolts that are holding this, which I believe are T40s, for those of you guys that are gonna do this. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm done cutting it open. That's what I got so far, guys. Obviously they're not the cleanest cuts, but maybe it will be enough for me to get it out. Or I can just slide it under, just like that, and it's out just like that, guys. And these are again T40s. You can get like at any Home Depot or whatever, or yeah, any hardware store. Now I need to do this side. Here's the other one, guys. So you can see they don't really have to be perfect, just enough to where you can get your tool on there and then take it out. We're gonna be installing the hardware for this. So basically you get the if I can get this open. So you get a little rod right here that goes on, I believe, on the inner side right there. You got screws and then washers, and this is basically what's gonna hold down the quick release right there, so you're able to take your seat down and off when you want to. And I'll show you guys right now when I install it. What you want to do first is put on the first nut right there, just like that. On the other side, obviously, you can only screw it on one way, and then just keep going. Reach the length or whatever. I mean, they're adjustable, so it's really how it's gonna go on your own car. And then I believe you just add the washer. So you add the washer right there. Let me screw it forward a little more, just like that. Then what you want to do is put it on the inner one right there, and then do the same thing for the other side. It's kind of hard to get under there, but if you guys can see this hole right here, you can reach in your hand from right there and then just kind of hold it and adjust it and do whatever. So I'm going to do the first one right here, and then I'm going to do this other one right here, and I'll show you guys how it looks when they're in. So I got this side on, both sides on, and I believe they're around the same length. I try to measure it as close as I can. And then these are going to be 10mm nuts. They're not super tight right now, just hand tightened. I'm going to test it out and see how it looks. So if I can get out of my car without killing myself, just like that. I get this side, throw it on. So just like that, it's snapped into place. And then you just click it to remove it, and then push it back in. Yeah guys, honestly it came out really clean. I love it. Honestly, you can put any design you want. This was my friend's, I kept it. I mean, I don't mind it, I like it. My car's blue. And now I'm just gonna connect these two plug-ins right here. One's for the power adapter and the other one's for the actual rear seat delete. And then I got this power right here. That literally just goes under the rear seat delete. Nobody's gonna sit back here, so you just go right there, plug it into your Volt. You can close it, and then if I turn my car on, I don't know if you guys can tell right now, but it's lit up right now, and I can change the color to blue, purple, pink, red, whatever I want. Maybe if I unplug it, you guys can see the blue right now. Then if I unplug it, it's off. But yeah guys, I think this is, honestly, I think he got it for 300 bucks, and I think it's well worth it just because of the quality. And it's probably one of the cheapest ones out there, especially since it's so customizable, and you can pretty much put any design you want to light up, just like that one. And it's super easy. That's literally it right there, and this is the back side. I highly recommend it, guys. And like I said, my friend hooked it up. Shout out Alex Poseidon S550 on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Super easy install, anybody can do it. And yeah, if you guys didn't notice, I added my Performance Pack 2 splitter to my Roush one. Let me know what you guys think. It's freaking huge now. Like, try to get a good angle of it. I don't know, I think it looks wicked. Looks better than it did with the stock Performance Pack lip. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you guys in the next one.